I really am not sure why they are doing two different reviews for 14, but here's the second review on 14. Again, make sure you are aware of your time on your test. It is 50 minutes. It's about 30 questions. They're about a little bit more, a little bit less. So we're going to start with find the vertex algebraically, opposite b over 2a. 18 over 2 times 3, 18 over 6, which is 3. Axis of symmetry, make sure you give me the equation, x equals a number. In this case, it's x equal 3. Later on, different courses, it's going to be a horizontal line, but in Algebra 1, it's always a vertical line. Substituting 3 in so I can find the y-coordinate of my vertex. 3 times 3 squared minus 18 times 3 plus 2. 3 times 9 minus 54 plus 2. 27 plus 2 minus 54. And that is equal to negative 25. So negative 25. Make sure whenever you're solving quadratics that you are setting them equal to 0. X squared plus 3x minus 8 equals 0. Factors of 8 that add up to 3 or subtract in that case, but there's not going to be, so I'm going to have to do opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. All over 2a. You can do it on the calculator or quadratic. So be careful of instructions. So if it says must show work and it isn't factorable, you're going to have to go back to quadratic. If it says calculator, then screenshot and save a picture of your Desmos calculator or write it down and do it, and then write down the equation and say regraph and take the screenshot when you're at the upload process. So this is minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 4 times negative 8 times 1 all over 2. Ran out of room. Negative 3 plus or minus square root of 9. 32 is 41. Over 2, and your final answer is negative 4.7 and 1.7. And you're usually rounding to the 10th on quadratic solving. Describe the change. The negative says open downward. The 5 means narrow. Frowns and skinny. This says right 5. This says left 5. This says left 5, down 1. This says right 6, down 2. Okay, this says down, opens down, checking for quadratics, 1, 1, yes, 1, 1, 2, 3, yes, so, and up, 2 for the vertex, so this is y equals negative x squared plus 2. Oops, sorry. Check for widening and narrowing. Over 1, down 1. Over 1, down 3. Doesn't widen or narrow. Opens down. 1, 2. 2 right. 1 up. Y equals negative x minus 2 squared plus 1. right one, down one. We're assuming that it is not narrowing or widening. It's open, down, left 2, down 1. Y equals negative x plus 2 squared minus 1. Assuming it's not enough information of widening and narrowing, so it's a transformation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 5, y equals x squared plus 5. That is Part 2, page 1, Unit 14 review.